Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohammad Ali Nijum. I was looking for a Loom alternative, and when I saw the BerryCast offer, it seems promising to me, and I have got a suggestion from my brother, and he's suggesting me to get it, and it's a nice deal. And he has also given me his coupon code, which I can use to get another additional 20% discount on the offer they're providing on the Black Friday deal. Okay, I usually use Loom and I prefer it more because it's more robust and it's faster. BerryCast is growing now, and I have seen their reviews on AppSumo, and they have around 120 reviews on AppSumo. And let's check their Chrome extension to see how many users are there. I've already seen it. I'm just showing you so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, when I go to the BerryCast Chrome Web Store profile, I can see that there are 5,000 plus users are using this app. And when I go to the reviews and recent, the reviews seems to be quite okay, but there are negative reviews because of some bugs that they are working on now, and I hope it's already solved because these reviews are from last year. So I hope this time and this year they have improved a lot. The thing about lifetime deals and about SaaS products are quite shady because after some years they might not sustain their company on the lifetime deals. They usually provide the lifetime deals to get more users on their platform so that they can promote it like I'm promoting it now, compared to other offers that are existing on AppSumo. Like if I show you some, search for the alternatives, screen records. Let's search for it and let's see what are the alternatives are there. So as you can see, most of the offers are way beyond the pricing that BerryCast is offering now, and I've signed up for their free version, and now I have decided to upgrade it to the premium version. And here you can see their pricing, the Black Friday deal where they are providing 75% off. For me, the 19 USD lifetime offer is quite nice because I record personally and I hand it over to my team who edits the videos and then uploads into my platforms. So this is quite nice, and here you can see the comparison. If I show you the full comparison on the starter and pro plan, everything is quite same. Just the custom branding, custom domain name and collaborative workspace is missing, which is not needed for me. As I am promoting my contents through other platforms, I just need a host, I just need a recorder so that I can record the lessons and provide it to my team faster. As Loom and other alternatives like BerryCast uploads the video on real time, when I'm recording, it's uploading the video on the back end. On the pricing page, I'll just click on the upgrade, and here the promo code is already applied, but I'll use his promo code. Okay, let's see. If I validate it, it's actually applying 20% additional to the cost that they were providing on the Black Friday deal, and I'm getting it for $15. Okay, so these are my details. I'll just fill out the details and then continue. I have given the card details, and now I'm just clicking on the upgrade to starter. And the payment is processing now. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So it's upgraded to the lifetime deal. And now if I go to my videos, and this is my profile. Okay, great. So I've upgraded to BerryCast Premium now, and I can use it later on when I'll need it. Apart from that, I'll give a promo code on this video description so that you can use it for an additional 20% discount on the deal. And if you need recordings, and if you need to guide your team through online, and if you are recording videos on a regular basis, then I hope BerryCast or any alternative like this, if you can get a lifetime deal, it would be great for you in your career. And these tools, these are growing, and if we get in, they will have more resources to build the product more. As you can see, they are promoting it for 2-3 years now, and I think it's best time to get in on this pricing point. So this was it. If you find it useful, kindly just forward it to your friend or anyone who might need it, and best of luck. Allah Hafiz.